Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant not opening, starting, or launching. First, right-click on the Valorant app. Here, go to the Properties. Now click on Compatibility. Make sure to select the option of Run this program in compatibility mode. After that, make sure to select the options of Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click on Apply. Then select OK to save changes. Now again, right-click on Valorant app and go to Properties. Go to Compatibility. Now you need to select your Windows type. Also, make sure to disable the option of Run this program as an administrator. Click on OK. Lastly, go to the search bar. Here, search for Device Manager. Go to Display Adapters. Then click on AMD Radeon Vega 3 Graphics, or whatever it is in your case. Make sure the device is working properly. Click on OK. This will fix your Valorant. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.